It's spreading, maybe even faster and wider than the virus itself. Pandemic fatigue. 9 months, at least 45 million cases worldwide, well over 1 million deaths, nonstop media coverage, shutdowns, and staying 6 feet apart.
Here's the story. It's COVID. You can't watch anything else. On November 4th, you won't be hearing so much about it.
Not exactly, but it is true that people are tired. The Wall Street Journal reported recently that collective exhaustion is threatening containment efforts, even in some countries that had gotten infection rates well under control. What does that mean, you ask? Well, humans are sliding back into being the social animals we are. While the number of people who say they're wearing masks has gone up, a Gallup poll also found that from May to September, the number of Americans avoiding gatherings with family and friends declined from nearly 2/3 to less than half. And that's a trend that's playing out in Europe as well. The World Health Organization even issued guidelines to help European leaders handle populations that have had it with social distancing. At the top of the list of strategies, understand people. Good luck with that. But as human hosts relax, the virus itself has gone into overdrive. Numbers are spiking, particularly in the Americas and in Europe. France and Germany have gone into lockdown again, France announcing a nationwide shutdown rivaling the early days of the outbreak. Russia, now 4th in the world for overall coronavirus cases, has made mask wearing mandatory. Apparently, President Vladimir Putin's personal disinfection tunnel, that's what they call it, didn't quite do the trick for everyone else. There are a few global bright spots, countries like South Korea, Japan, and even China, where it all began. They've avoided big spikes in the recent months. Experts cite widespread compliance with health guidelines, aggressive testing, or both. Neither of those are true across the United States. Wisconsin, known as a political battleground, has also become the latest epicenter for the pandemic here, with both infections and death tolls climbing rapidly. Rural hospitals in the Rocky Mountains and parts of the Midwest are at a breaking point, and the nation continues to see record numbers of new cases as we head into November. It all means anybody hoping this year's Odd Lang Syne brings an end to the annus horribilis needs to think again. Just how different will 2021 be? Well, that depends on how fast the new plague, pandemic fatigue, spreads and how hard societies are willing to keep working to control the virus.